Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate invoice from all vouchers menu in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Accounts module and then click on all vouchers menu. As we are going to generate invoice, we have to choose the voucher type as invoice and then click on create single button. We can also generate invoice wizard by clicking on create wizard button. The asterisk symbol fields are mandatory one. We have to fill it up, otherwise it will show you error. Now fill the details. Select the party account and then click on save button. Now the invoice has been created. Here we have to add the account details. Just click on add button. Now enter the amount. Select the account name. And then click on save and close. Now the account details has been added. Now change the status of the voucher to posted. Again click on change status button. Now the voucher is posted. We have to click on reports button to view the report. Just click on the invoice. Now we can see the invoice has been created. If you want to send this to your customer, then you can click on email option provided here. Or if you want to set this particular report as your favorites, then you can click on favorites button provided here. Hope now you got an idea on how to generate invoice from all vouchers menu in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.